through this course, you will be introduced to job readiness skills in different sectors. Then, be it graphic design, data entry, social media management, translation, or let it be accounting, website development, or content writing, and many more. In this course, you will also be informed about many sectors such as hardware networking, Internet of Things, that is IoT, travel and tourism, 3D printing, retail management, CAD drafting, and many more. And well, while working in these sectors, freelancing is done mainly in two ways. One is cyberspace and the other is physical space. Of course, that means some sort of work can be done through digital platform, while some sort of work is done by meeting the customer directly face to face. Freelancing is usually done in 3 steps. First step is where customer assigns or provides the work. The second step is to actually do the work. Of course, you will require some tools and some skills to accomplish this task. And the third step is to submit the completed work to the client. When all 3 of these steps are offline, that is, there is no need for a digital platform for these 3 steps, then the jobs that are available are like billing specialist. At any given time, there are more than 80,000 jobs are available for this particular profile, and this billing specialist can receive as much as 150 rupees per bill made. Similarly, bookkeeper, GST return filing assistant, IT return filing assistant, image assisted data entry operator, designing different forms, various hardware and networking services, etc. are various freelancing work opportunities in this mode. In the next mode, all the 3 steps of assigning work, completing work, and submitting work are online. In this way, the language translation, transcription writer, logo designer, YouTube thumbnail artist, animated GIF creation, video compression, web designing are various freelance work opportunities. In the next mode, work is assigned online, but it needs to be completed offline and submitted online again. In this mode, various tasks can be done such as video testimonial creation, proofreading, voiceover, script writing, storyboarding, video creation, and video color correction, etc. You can do this kind of work at any time as per your convenience without having to spend any certain time of the day doing these tasks, and most importantly, even a smartphone can also help you with completion of this work. The simple reason for this is nowadays there are so many amazing and free apps that work with artificial intelligence are available on smartphones. With the help of these apps, you can do many of these things quickly. The next mode is where assigning the job and completing it is done online, but the submitting of the work is done offline only. You may have noticed that various types of wall decals, different customized gift keychains, t-shirts, and different types of marketing materials such as brochures, flyers, standees all have to be delivered to the client either physically or by courier. And so this step needs to be offline. There is one more mode in which the work is being assigned online, but the steps to complete it and submit it are offline. Of course, you may have observed that some of the things that need to be done in the offline way are 3D printing of different items and creation of various IoT applications. These works need to be completed offline and delivered offline as well.